Welcome back, guys, to another video here, WNFT Projects. On today's video, we are gonna be disassembling all the brakes. We're gonna be taking the front brakes because we still don't have the back brakes, but we're gonna be taking off the front brakes and we're gonna put in the brand new rotors, brand new calipers, and the little brake hoses. Also, we do have a new brake pump, master cylinder, that we're also gonna replace, and maybe take it for the first spin. She's overheating a little bit after a while, so you can't really take it for too long, but you can take it for a little spin around the neighborhood. It will be okay. But yeah, stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed the video and like and subscribe. Down, boy. We got him. Tag is secure. Stupid mask. We gotta wear them though. I'm trying to get sick out here. See you back at the house. We're trying to get all the dirt we can. All the dirt we can out, because yeah, it's pretty. It's really dirty. Because we're gonna put the new brakes back in. The new rotors, we got the new calipers. But before anything, we wanna clean it up. Just because. And also we're gonna give it a little paint so it's not on the bare metal and stuff. So right now, we're just giving it some spray so it's not on the bare metal, and it looks a lot better with the black, and just so it's not all rusty and stuff like that. And this is not a temporary thing. This is just for now. I mean, either way, we're gonna have to sandblast all these things, and we're gonna have to change a bunch of those suspension components. So, but yeah, still we wanna make it look nice for now. One side done. Now we're going to the other. It looks really good. Damn. It looks so good. Like after you paint all that stuff, it looks like we really rebuilt all the stuff, and you still need to change all this. But you just want to test drive it. You just want to take it for a drive. You just want it to be able to stop. the brakes working, they'll bled, and it brakes now. We about to put the wheels back in, drop it down, and we also gotta put the radiator back because I took the hoses out and stuff like that because I was flushing it and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna do that, drop it down, and we're gonna test the brakes. So excited. So wait out there. It's back on the ground, and we got everything good now, so we're gonna start it up. Start it up. Oh, what the heck? Hey, hey! Apágalo. Freaking gas tank fell, bro.
¿Cayó?
Se cayó el gas tank. Estoy diciendo que lo apague, para que no se quede sin gasolina.
¿Cómo lo hacemos,
¿Eh?
¿Cómo lo hacemos?
Mira, se le cayó, pónselo bien ahí. Le diste un golpe ahí con la eso. Ponle bien el zip tie ahí.
Ay, que no está bien puesto aquí, chico.
Que no está bien puesto que eso fue que se aflojaron. What would you call this? Redneck engineering? Because we didn't got a gas tank. Took it off. We gotta buy a new one.
Levántamelo, por favor.
Veo los videos ahí.
Quiero cualquier gas.
¿Quieres poner calcio por si acaso? Calcio, Daniel.
So we just got back from putting gas, filling up the little tanks, and look at the artillery tank that my dad made. Yup. You can go anywhere with that thing. Now we can just go anywhere. We're gonna go on a road trip with the freaking roadkill up in this head, like with freaking holes in the floor. Look at that. This is some roadkill stuff right here. Oh my God! Look at this. So guys, I'm gonna end the video right there because I'm gonna upload another part where we drive the car. Now, keep watching though because I'm gonna put in this video. I'm gonna put some cinematics of us when we were sanding down the hood and we were cleaning the car and stuff, and then we were painting it to make it just make it a little cleaner and stuff. So I'm gonna put that right here in this video, but when we drive it, it's gonna be on the next video, so stay tuned. That video is dropping soon. It's probably gonna drop today or tomorrow, most likely. So yeah, please enjoy, keep watching, and like and subscribe. Primer, it's just still drying up, but it's just for so the rust. But look how sexy this car is. Oh my God, look at that front end, dude, that looks amazing. Oh my God, look at the lines. I might have the interior really bad, but the outside is so good. Like, look at the lines. Ah.